Let's make gluten-free pizza. The recipe is very easy. We add all the ingredients together. We leave our dough to take some rest for 30 minutes until the size gets double, and then we make the pizza that we love. The first ingredient that we add in the mixing bowl is the warm water and the yeast, and then we add all the other ingredients together. We mix it very well and it's done. Now is the time for the egg substitute. Egg substitute you can find from biomarket. You buy it, you take 1 tablespoon of this product, you will mix it with 30 to 37 ml of water and is ready. For my recipe, I will use 2 egg substitutes. Our dough is ready. Our dough must be a little bit liquid. We cover it with a plastic foil and in a warm place we leave it for 30 minutes until our dough gets double. Then we'll take a nice pan, we'll put a lot of olive oil on the bottom, and then we will make our gluten-free pizza base. We take this lovely pan in the oven until our pizza gets ready. This piece is still hot, but it looks so yummy. No way, no way. To be honest, it's the best gluten-free pizza base that you can make.